Flippa looks like the easiest place to buy a business, and that's exactly why it's one of the most dangerous. In this video, I'm going to show you how Flippa actually works and why most buyers get this wrong, and how to think about this platform before you risk real money. Up to this point, we've talked about choosing your industry first, understanding what kind of buyer you are, and evaluating traditional listings. If you missed any of those, please go back and watch them, because Flippa is different. And if you treat it like biz buy sell, you're going to get hurt. I see a lot of first-time buyers gravitate toward Flippa because it feels simple, fast, and affordable. And you know what? That's usually a red flag. If you want help thinking through deals with other serious buyers, the link below will take you to my free first-time business buyer community, Firewatch Business Lab, on school.com. This is where we slow down these decisions and really evaluate them. As you and I are looking for business to buy, we must stay focused, and that starts with protecting your mind and your heart from influences that could derail yours and my purpose. Guard your heart above all else, for it determines the course of your life. Proverbs 4:23 NLT. Flippa is not a marketplace for buying traditional businesses. It's a marketplace for buying digital assets, such as websites, e-commerce stores, SaaS tools, content sites, digital products. In many cases, you're not buying a company with people and systems. You're buying traffic, code, and basically promises. If the owner stops working, here you go, ask this question. If the owner stops working, you need to know exactly what you still have, what you really bought. Flippa attracts people who want to be absentee owners. But let me tell you something, digital doesn't necessarily mean passive. A lot of these businesses rely on one platform, one traffic source, one person's knowledge. If any of those disappear, so does the business. On biz buy sell, owner dependency is obvious. On Flippa, it's hidden. Hidden dependency looks like custom code only the seller understands, manual processes disguised as automation. I just know how to do this, explanations, and basically no documentation, no documented SOPs. If you can't explain how this business runs in plain English, you don't own it, you're just renting it. Flippa businesses often depend on platforms that they don't control, such as Google search traffic, Amazon policies, ad networks, APIs, email deliverability. A policy change can cut your revenue in half overnight, and there's nothing you can do about it. That risk has to be priced in, and you know what? Most buyers don't do that. Let me be clear here, very clear. Most first-time buyers should not start on Flippa. They should not start here if they don't understand digital systems, if they cannot verify the analytics. If you're just chasing passive income, you're uncomfortable with walking away quickly. Flippa rewards skepticism and not optimism. Now, Flippa can still be useful as a learning tool. How to use it responsibly? Well, study how digital businesses are packaged. Learn common failures from different places. Compare claims versus reality. Practice saying no a lot. Here's the real and best advice I can give you or anybody else looking to buy a business. Sometimes the best deal is no deal at all. Here's the key takeaway, right? Flippa isn't easy money. It's a skills test. Until you have the skills, you need discipline. That is your best protection. If you want help evaluating deals like this or deciding whether Flippa really makes sense for you, the link below will take you to my free business buyer community, firewatchbusiness.lab on school.com. The next video you should watch is the Biz Quest and other marketplaces, because not all platforms attract the same type of deals or the same type of risk. So that's on your screen right here, so go watch it next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the lab.